Awards, rewards. Who wants some money this week in Vegas? Anybody? Not too many gamblers out there, huh? All right. Well, we at the A4M also give an award. In fact, A4M's sister brand, MedTech, has an impact event this weekend, and it has a winner. This is an annual competition that seeks to highlight targeted innovation within the rapidly emerging digital health industry. This year's winner is Chronomics. Chronomics is a pioneering epigenetic testing company geared towards enhancing personalized and preventative care. Through the use of next-generation sequencing, Chronomics utilizes data retrieved from patient samples to produce interactive reports and to provide users with DNA-based insights on personal health. Check out this video from Chronomics. And here to say a few words from Chronomics co-founder, Mr. Charles Ball. A hand, everybody.
Walking around with my little rain cloud hanging over my head, and it ain't coming down.
Thank you, Dr. Vu. Hello, everybody. I am Charles Ball, one of the co-founders at Chronomics. And I'm excited to be here today to accept this award and have the opportunity to say a few words. I think we would all agree that Laura and the team at A4M have done a fantastic job in organising and hosting us this year. On behalf of Chronomics, I would personally like to thank all of you for inviting us to Las Vegas. As we all know, healthcare is shifting to prevention. And I am proud to stand up here on stage today in a room full of so many physicians that are helping us move the needle from reactive to personalized and proactive. Prevention demands objective measures of health. And that is why at Chronomics, we have developed the latest in science and tools needed for the physicians to quantify how environment and lifestyle is changing over time. We do this by unlocking the power of epigenetics, combined with the latest in next-generation sequencing technology. Unlike your traditional DNA test that looks at a couple of hundred SNPs that don't change, we look at over 21 million positions that do. Not only is this extremely accurate, but it allows us to update the Chronomics user journey and update them with the latest health insights for any given time point. Your patients can now feel empowered because they can visualize and quantify how their health is changing over time. Physicians can use this hard scientific data as a tool to change behaviors. Epigenetics is repeatable, it is measurable, and it is actionable. I am proud at Chronomics to say that we are fundamentally scientists and data experts. We are not physicians, and that is why we need your help in the epigenetics revolution. Until now, we've been able to look at biological age, Not how old you are, but how old your body is. Metabolic status, taking into account diet, nutrition, adiposity, and is looking at your overall molecular BMI. You could be a larger man or a larger lady. From a BMI perspective, you could be overweight, but epigenetically, you could be healthy. Smoke exposure. Not do you smoke or not, but quantifying the chemical toxins within cigarettes and being able to show how much exposure you've had to date. And we recently released alcohol consumption. Not do you drink or not, but looking at the cumulative buildup of alcohol in your system over time. And to finish with, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to announce that Chronomics will be releasing a new indicator, the first epigenetic indicator of its kind to look at chronic stress. This isn't looking at cortisol and how it spikes, but this is looking at the long-term buildup of chronic stress within the body. From a simple saliva test, physicians and patients can use this as a tool to measure things like burnout. But it doesn't stop here. Our scientists are constantly working on new epigenetic indicators. The journey has just begun. We are Chronomics, and we are improving human health by making the unseen actionable. Thank you. Thank you.